Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to input a streaming link on VLC player with Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So to get started with this, you're going to need a working streaming link and you're going to need the VLC application installed. So if you have not already downloaded and installed the VLC app and verify you have a valid streaming link. For this tutorial, I'll click on the VLC application. I'm going to go over to browsing. So under browsing, you have the internal memory, local network, streams. So click on streams, and this is the box where you put in the streaming link. So if you have your link, type it out here and use it. So I'll be using a sample for this tutorial. It will just be a hypothetical streaming link. You're just going to type it the way you see me typing this. It's just going to be link start like HTTP, and then you have a colon. So this is a hypothetical streaming link just as an example. This is not a streaming link, it does not exist. So just type in the link you have or you desire to stream from. And it could be, you generally start like this and you have something SWER something. So just put in the link, and when it's done, click on enter, and that should route VLC to that site so that you can stream the content that's available there, audio, video, whatever you like. So that's it for this tutorial. If you found that insightful, subscribe to the channel for content like this.